Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I am picking the winner for the 1500 subscriber giveaway. So just one more time, you guys are amazing. You are awesome people. And I did have some decent responses. In fact, I enjoyed reading through them. So I'm just going to move this off to the side. This is the Halloween Hocus Pocus time witches. I just have this little section here to go and I'll be done this one. I was waiting for my Diamond Art Club painting to come in for my Drills and Chills submission, but it looks like it's not going to be here till the 22nd, which thank goodness Drills and Chills goes to the end of October. So I'm just going to zoom in here. I'm doing it on here. I hope you guys can see that. Come on. Come on. Please tell me you can see that, you guys. So I have gone ahead and entered the link into the video. And just going to follow through the directions. I'm so excited. I can't wait to see which one of you won. So filter with the comments based on fall, and we are going to filter duplicate users, show random names. What's 2 plus 4, guys? I didn't know there was math involved. Okay, get your comments. So it looks like I have 26 comments, which is good. When I did the other version of this, it was the same, so that's good. And, oh, you guys. Okay. So I'm going to press start. So before I press start, I just want to say thank you very much for responding. Thank you very much for playing. And please know that from the bottom of my heart, I thank you all. I wish I could give prizes to everybody. I hope to do more of these giveaways in the future. But just know that you guys all have a special part in my heart, or a special spot in my heart. And you guys really make coming here and doing these videos so much fun for me and hopefully for you. And I just think the world of you guys. So gonna press start. Are we ready? Here we go. 3, 2, 1, start. James Yaz, congrats, you deserve all the best. One of my favorite aspects of autumn, fall, is the moody sunlight. I loved that word, moody sunlight, because it's so true. Congratulations, James. You won the $50 gift card. Now, what I need you to do is email me at DawnDoesLife at gmail.com. and let me know what your email is. So if you are a Diamond Art Club subscriber, let me know what that email is so that when I request the gift certificate for you, it goes there. And then the same thing is true of Amazon. If you decide on an Amazon gift card, make sure it's your Amazon Prime member or your Amazon account email address that you're sending me. But send me an email. I will be watching for it. Congratulations. And congratulations to all of you for playing. Thank you so much. I love you all. And I just can't wait to make more content with you. If you guys have any ideas for new content you'd like to see on the channel, I'm going to zoom this back up now. Please make sure you let me know in the comments below. I would love to hear what your ideas are or things that you would love to see on the channel. Until then, just a big virtual hug. I love you guys all, and take care. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.